Hello people, welcome back to another amazing video, My Life in a Nutshell, where we transform your lifestyle, skincare and food. And today guys, we're going to jump into something very interesting because we're going to make a DIY product for you guys today. We're going to make a product that's going to clear your icicles, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, cheekbone. If you notice you have scars and all, tough scars and all, we're going to be using an interesting kitchen recipe that we have in your house, and you're using this potato juice. I'm going to be using the potato juice. It's just the juice I need out of this. Potato is very good. If you know you have hyperpigmentation, it also helps for hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Some people's face, their face will be very light and they'll have like a black mark here. This is what they call the discoloration. Hyperpigmentation is like when your face is a different color exactly too. Also help for sunburn. If you know you have very serious sunburn too, this potato juice also going to clear out the sunburn. You see, so the potato is a very strong very strong glowing agent that you can use. You see, it's in your home. I don't know all these things. That's why it's good to eat them too. Try and eat enough of potato. So now I'm going to also be using turmeric. This is a turmeric I got in where I stay over here in the diaspora. You understand? So this is turmeric. Turmeric helps for acne, brighten your face, make your face give your face 2 to 3 shades lighter. It's a very strong component that helps to make your face look very nice. You know you have acne, you have all those tough skin and all that. When mixing your face cream, just add this turmeric. So as I was saying earlier, you can see, and I also want to use our almighty aloe vera. This is our soothing gel that I told you that it helps for clearing your face. It also helps to protect your face from sun repair. If you notice that your face has damage and all, just use your aloe vera soothing gel. It's going to clear off that face. It also moisturize your face. It gives you it just calms your face. So we're going to be using this our aloe vera soothing gel today. And remember this our face cream we used the other time I told you I made for a customer. Remember this face cream, we're going to add a little for me. You understand? I'm going to take a little for me. So these properties, these are the things I want to be using today with our lemon juice. We're going to squeeze a little for me, and our vitamin E serum. Don't worry, in the description below I'm going to write out the ingredients I'm going to be using for this video. Very simple ingredients. If this I'm making this for a customer that she has a damaged face soon and she still wants to grow her face. She still wants her face to look very radiant. So if you're the one, this recipe is for you today. So now let's get to it. So guys, remember this our face cream I told you I made for a 40-something years old lady and all that. Don't worry, she has started using it and she's going to come back for a review. I told you guys should stay tuned. So this is our face cream. I want to take it because she needs it to also this face cream is an anti-aging face cream, so she needs it to make her face look younger. So we're going to be adding a little of this this aloe vera soothing gel. This is 99% aloe vera soothing gel that helps very well. Just little I need from this because they stir it. Let me use this. Let's use our stir it. Then now we add our lemon juice. Our potato juice. See it, I smashed it. This is just it. In case you don't have blender, I just want it to be rough. This is how I like my one. I don't like taking the blended. I don't like using blender. I prefer using my hand to do it. See, so you too can do it. I'm using my hand so that you will know that you also can do it at home for yourself. This this potato juice, I don't know why I'm saying lemon juice. This potato juice is very good for your sunburn, hyperpigmentation and all that. This potato juice is going to help you, for you to repair, for you to calm your face for you. So this is it. Then I stir. If you notice that the consistency that is entering is too light, see, I think it's light. You can now add a little more because We add a little more of the aloe vera juice so that it's going to look a little bit tea, because we have other things we are adding. So now we're going to be adding our turmeric, just little of it, so that it's not going to come out too much, just little of it. You see, I think I will still add more because I didn't get what I wanted. I think I'll still add more. As I said earlier, I'll have to add more. That's not some. I'm adding more to it. You can see. Then I stir. If you are thinking of how I made the first base I used for this face cream, just check in our previous video below. That's the first video. That's how I made it. So you can just go there and learn how I made that particular face cream. So you're going to understand why I use that base for it. This is a simple DIY face cream that's going to help your skin look radiant and very nice. Like, God, you see your face changing in 7 days. It's very good. Just use it at night or from morning to night. This one you can use it 2 times, but in case you have another face cream, you can use that your face cream in the daytime and use this one at night, so that you can wake up the next morning so happy. Hey God, and you thank me. See, I'm stirring it. Consistency, I'm stirring it. See how it is. See how it looks. Doesn't this look so? Guys, I have to add a little more of this potato juice because I need more of it. So guys, I've made it. See, if you want it to be a little more lighter as you want, then you can add any oil that you want inside of it. If you want to add any oil, you can add any oil, any nice oil that you want. You can let me know in my comment section which oil that you wish to add inside while making this nice DIY face cream with our aloe vera, potato juice, and turmeric juice. And now don't forget, add a little of our lemon juice. Add a little, because you need glow in your skin. This lemon juice is going to help for glow. See, as I added the lemon juice, it was now very light, so I have to stir it very well. Then if you notice that it's too light, you cannot add your potato juice. See, I say your aloe vera. Sorry, oh my God, you add your aloe vera. If you notice, see, I noticed that mine was too light. That was why I added more. Then I stirred it. If she use this face cream, she will see how her face is going to be light. I don't know why I didn't use glove. So you see, stir. Now I want to add oil for her because I want her face to look very nice. I want her face to glow. I want her face also light at the same time. You understand? I told you earlier that she had a very bad reaction. So this white secret serum is a unifying complexion serum that helps to brighten the skin, remove blackheads and spots. I told you she have reactions from water, and most people that have reaction for water is also, most of them give them a spot, and she told me she has spots on her face too, but not really more. So I have to minimize the way I put the white secret. You understand? So I have to. It also helps for the blackheads and spot. Also contain vitamin E that treat for it's in pigment, skin, and stains. She has like stains on her face, so she still needs to lighten her face. She has sunburn, she has hyperpigmentation, she has very bad facial reactions on her face. So this white secret is also going to boost it up by the help of this aloe vera, in case she wants to have any reactions, like if the face is going to give her any reaction, this aloe vera now is going to sort down that all the ingredients I use. So guys, please, if you have come this far, don't forget to like, comment, follow, subscribe, and please share. Let all people know that you have seen a secret video, a secret channel on YouTube that brings out all the secrets in in skincare. Please, we are still growing. If you know you want me to make some videos or please let me know in my comment section some videos for your sunburn. If you know you have sunburn, some videos for any kind of facial reaction you have, and you want me to make a special video for you, I can do that. Please let me know on my comment section. See, now I have to add this. I added like 2 drops. I added like 2 drops. The other one I didn't really put it well. Like 2 drops. So you see. Now let's turn this together. See, when she uses this face cream, oh my gosh, you will see this is summer. You understand? We're in the diaspora side, and this period now is summer. The heat, the sun. So this face cream it has a protection inside. That is why I'm using the aloe vera. So you need to make a gel that is very nice, that's not going to sweat. There's no sweat, she's not going to have any sweat on her face or anything. It's going to make her face look very nice. And she has dry skin, you understand? She has dry skin too. So don't worry guys, please just try this face cream and you see, and you notice that if you want it to be a little bit more lighter than the consistency you are seeing, you still add extra aloe vera. But like this now, it's okay for what I want. So you get your clean jar of face cream container, and you put it inside, and you're good to go. You use this at night and wake up the next morning, look like a bride to be. Okay guys, I've left it in the fridge for 2 days, so it's time for us now to add our tea tree oil. This is the tea tree oil. Then you add it inside, because this helps to tighten the pores, helps with acne, also has a very nice fragrance. It also serves as a carrier oil, which consists of almond, just a few drops. You can also add this into your bathing water in case you have itching or whatever. This tea tree oil is very nice. So this, we're also going to add our vitamin E capsule. This is our vitamin E capsule. This is one I use. Normally I don't really use this one. I use it when it's like I don't have any alternative, but I try to get well. I used to buy my vitamin E. I couldn't see it. This is alpha. It's a Turkish vitamin E. It's very nice. It has like 300 grams involved inside. Like, it's very good. You can go to your pharmacy and still get any vitamin E oil you were able to get. So I'll drop like one of these inside, because I'm making like a one face cream. So this is what I'm going to add, just 1 cup of face cream. So I'm going to add this inside. Then I'm now going to put my flavor. This is the flavor I want. Then I'm going to put it inside. I need like a vanilla flavor. This is like my trademark, so I have to put it inside. And see, you're good to go. So I've added the necessary things I said earlier. If you need it to be a little bit thicker than this, what you do, you see, add your aloe vera. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, our turmeric face cream is good to go. You can actually get this if you want to have the aloe vera. If you want the natural one, you can extract it. So I'm going to show you guys how to extract it. an aloe vera from the main aloe vera gel, sorry, from the main aloe vera. But if you can't get hold of that, you have to get the aloe vera gel I told you guys to have. It should be 99%, 99.9%. If you're buying anyone, please, it should be. You can see it on the screen below, over there, above. You could see it there. Then you can just add more. If you want the consistency to be very thick, you add a little more of the aloe vera. We are good to go, guys. See, you can see it smells so nice. Like, that's all what you want. If you want for a florid skin, you need to take care of your acne, you need your skin to be brightening, just go with this turmeric face cream and you're good to go, guys. Okay guys, I've now made our turmeric and potato face cream. You can see the very easy way for you to make this face cream, and this face cream is going to lighten your face very well, give you that even tone, take out that sunburn, remove hyperpigmentation, dark spots and all, with the help of these ingredients I have told you guys. And I told you that if you want to still add more oils, more effective facial serum oils, then you can still let me know in my comment section whenever you want to try it. You can let me know the oils that you want to add extra. See, I just added one oil because I wanted it to be natural. I wanted it to glow very natural and easier way. If I want to make it to be like extra whitening face cream, I'll add more effective oils them inside. You see, so it's very simple, and I know you can also do it. So just make your products to be natural, as easy as possible. See, I want you guys to please let people know that you have seen a channel that spit out the secrets of how making your DIY skin tones very nice, very easier DIY videos. Like, share this channel to people, share these videos to people, please, so that we're going to attract more audience on this channel. I love you guys so much. And you can put it inside, then I'll put it inside the fridge. I'm going to leave it for like 2 days, so that all the ingredients I use are going to absorb inside, and it's going to be so that when my customer uses it, she's going to feel alive, she's going to feel brand new. You understand? This is what I want. If you want me to make a video to just, you want to maintain your skin tone, let me know in this channel, My Life in a Nutshell. You remember, we are here to transform your skincare and food and your lifestyle, how you should live it in a very peaceful and shineful way. You understand? Don't forget to keep living your best life and also shine all through. I love you guys, and like, comment, share, subscribe on notification bell, because there's a lot of goodness coming to this channel. I love you guys so much. Bye. Peace out.